Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Nakie and I hope everybody is doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. On today's menu we're making one of Ghana's street food, that is fried yam with fried fish. Let's get started. For this recipe, of course, you need your yam, and I'm washing my yam at this point. You could choose to peel it before you wash it. All depends on you. I just feel like washing it this time and peeling at the same time because I was by the sink at that time. You don't have to, but it's kind of easier when I do it this way. Peel everything in the sink and just cut it, and yeah. So it depends on how comfortable you are with this part. So just peel it and just cut it to the preferred size that you want. Because I'm going to fry it, I like to cut it to like a slant way, not like a ball in it, because when I'm boiling it then I'm going to cut it really chunky, but when I'm frying it I cut it to like that, like a slant sizes, to make it really crispier. The thinner you cut your yams, the crispier you want it. If you cut it really chunky, it's not going to be that crispy. So it depends on you. If you want it really crispy, then you want to cut it like really thin. If you don't want it that crispy, then cut it really like chunky sizes. So I'm done cutting my yam. Of course, I'm going to rinse it out again, and that's it. I'm just going to add water to it, add some salt to it, let it sit till I'm ready to fry. But you want to let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on how hurry you want it. By mine sat for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I fried right away. I added some salt, of course, to taste. So make sure you add some salt to taste. While my yam is soaking in the salt water, I'm gonna now season my fish to fry. So this is my shrimp tablet and my 3 mix onion mix. You could use any seasoning of your choice. I'm using the garlic, ginger, and onion powder. And that's it. That's all the seasoning I'm using for this fish. You could add any seasoning that you prefer. This is the kind of meal that when you come back from work and you're tired, you're really hungry, you really want to cook something, but you're really not in a mood because you're hungry. You don't need extra stuff. You don't need like those fancy extra seasoning, extra stuff. Just add a little bit seasoning to your fish, fry your yam, and you are good to go. So at this point, I'm just frying my fish. We're going to fry this fish till it's golden brown. Our fish have been frying for about 10 to 12 minutes now on medium heat, and I'm going to turn it to the other side for it to also cook and be golden brown. And our fish is done. Look how pretty this fish look. Golden brown, crispy at the outside, and really moist in the inside. It's really good. I love the way this fish turned out. And our fish is ready. Look at that. We're going to put this on the side. Now let's fry our yam. In the pot I have my oil and I have some onion there. The onion is optional. I just like to flavor the oil before I fry my yam. So yeah, try this if you haven't. It tastes really good. It makes your yam really good when you flavor that oil with your onion. Anytime I'm making fried yam and fried fish, I always like to fry the fish, then later the yam, because I want it really hot and crispy. If I fry the yam and put it on the side, it's going to be soggy, and I don't like my fried yam like that. But if you do, then yeah, go ahead and fry it before you fry your fish. But you know what? You could also fry it at the same time. You fry your yam and you fry your fish at the same time, so everything is ready. And the yam has been frying for about 7 to 10 minutes on the medium heat, and it is done. Look at that. How do you like your yam? If you want it extra brown, extra golden brown, yeah, go ahead and leave it. But I like mine this color. And look at that, you could tell it's really crispy, and that is how I love it. At this point, I lowered the heat a little bit because the oil is extra hot before I put in the second batch. And my fried yam and my fried fish or tilapia is ready. Have this with your shito or your black sauce or your red pepper sauce, and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is a simple recipe and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Until I come your way next time, this is Cook with Nakie. Be good to yourself, be good to everybody. Goes a long way.